what percentage of the people that you get into the home will sell to you?
About 1 in 3.
The question is, are they in denial, these people? Is that really what it is?
Oh, yeah.
He's in denial.
Yeah, they think that someone's going to rescue him. I'll give you an example. We went to this guy's house, and we had offered him 150. He's like, no, I've got options. Dude, your foreclosure's in 2 days.
Stop dicking around.
He dicks around.
It's a long 2 days.
He dicks around, says no. A buddy of ours calls us. He's like, hey, I've got this house. It's going for foreclosure tomorrow. I'll sell it to you for 155. We're like, what's the address? Like, we've been talking to that guy. We're not buying it for you for 155, right? We called the guy back. It's like, look, you're trying to sell for 155. You've got no time.
You got no time, period.
Guy's like, I've got time.
I got time.
Really? You got time?
We bought it at the auction for 130, right? He didn't have time, but he was convinced.
And then they took it, so he didn't get the 130 though, because it was lawyers' fees involved and everything, right?
Yeah, I don't know what he walked away with, but it's not what he thought he was going to walk away with.